Moving and grooving, that is what this next habit is all about. It is about waking up first thing in the morning and moving your body. So after you've had your water, you've hydrated and you've eliminated, the idea is that you want to move and get a little bit of prana, life force into your body so that you feel good and light and energized for the day ahead. And so many people, because they're not getting a good night's sleep and they're not starting their day right, they don't actually find that they even have the 5 or the 10 minutes in the morning for themselves to do that. And so many women I speak to just say, oh, you know what, Nina, I wish I had a little bit more me time for me. And this is where you can work in that me time. It's in the mornings where you've woken up, hopefully the rest of the family is still asleep and not bothering you, and you can actually get out and about to do something. For me, it was really, really simple. I woke up early, I would pop on my tackies. I had them right by the door or by the kitchen, so I really couldn't miss them. I'd take Carter the dog and we'd go around the farm for 20 minutes. I just really enjoy the stillness first thing in the morning before all the activity of farm life happened. And it wasn't very long until Craig got bored of lying in bed by himself and he started coming and joining me. And so now every morning, the two of us enjoy a lovely morning walk. So that is pretty much what Move and Groove is all about. I invite you to start with this habit, no matter how small it is. Even if it's just 5 minutes that you can find in the mornings to do something, and it might not be a full walk, it might be a little bit of a breathing practice, it might be a little bit of a yoga practice or qigong. You might just be popping on the music and dancing. So the idea is that you are moving and that you're focusing on drawing the life force into your being so that you again start the day in a positive, active mode. So hopefully this has motivated you to get up and move and groove. And if you want to find out more about how to get more plants into your belly, catch me in the next video where I'll see you in my kitchen. Sending you so much love.